Sending and receiving cryptocurrency on the Exodus Wallet app is easy and can be done in a few simple steps. Here's how. Open Exodus Wallet. Launch the Exodus Wallet app on your desktop or mobile device. Receiving cryptocurrency. Go to the Wallet tab. Select the cryptocurrency you want to receive. Tap on Receive. This will display your wallet's public address for that cryptocurrency. Copy the address or use QR code. You can either copy the wallet address or use the displayed QR code to share with the sender. This address is unique to your wallet and should be used for receiving crypto. Sending cryptocurrency. Go to the Wallet tab. Select the cryptocurrency you wish to send. Tap on Send. Enter the recipient's wallet address or scan their QR code. Enter the amount. Specify how much of the cryptocurrency you want to send. Review and confirm. Double check the transaction details before confirming. Exodus will show you the transaction fee. Tap Send to finalize the transaction. Check the transaction. You can track the status of your sent or received cryptocurrency by checking your transaction history in the wallet.